Cloud computing powers Netflix, Amazon and Facebook, and is creating six-figure remote jobs worldwide. If you're looking to learn this skill, congratulations, you've made a wise decision. Cloud is the foundation of modern tech. Every company, from startup to government agencies, is moving their data to cloud. Without cloud skills, you'll be left behind. So what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is simply using remote servers to store, manage and process data worldwide. Instead of local machines, you will learn to deploy apps, secure infrastructure, manage virtual machines and build global services all on platforms like AWS, Google Cloud and Azure. And yes, AI and machine learning tools now run better and faster on cloud. Once you learn these skills, opportunities open up for you. You can work as a cloud engineer, DevOps specialist, site reliability engineer, solutions architect, cloud security analyst. And guess what? You can work from home for global companies, earning in dollars right here in Nigeria. Now here's what you need to learn to become a professional. Basics and cloud virtualization, AWS, Azure and Google Cloud Platform, network and storage in cloud, networking and deployment using cloud platforms like Terraform, deploying and managing infrastructure as code, cloud security best practices, building real-world projects using CI/CD pipelines, Docker and Kubernetes. Now, why should you choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we are committed to giving you practical hands-on training. A dedicated trainer is assigned to you, no crowded classroom, flexible payment options making real-world tech education accessible to you. Physical and online classes are available so you can learn from anywhere in the world. Imagine deploying an app in the cloud and it goes global. Imagine a foreign company pay you in dollars to manage your servers right from your home in Abuja. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach you, we launch you into a successful career. And the best part is, you don't need a degree to get started. All you need is the right mentoring and coaching. So go ahead and register now for cloud computing training at Bizmarrow Technologies Abuja. See you in class.